Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily update WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Friends, subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to put likes and don't forget to write comments after watching this video. So let's get down to our topic. And you will need, in order to update WhatsApp, open the App Store on your phone. Next, go to the search part and in the search box, type the word WhatsApp. After you go to the WhatsApp app, you will have the word update here where I have the word open. Please click on it and you will see it start downloading the updates of this app. In terms of time, it will take no more than half a minute to a minute, depending on how much different information you have in the WhatsApp app and how much cache you have. And after the app finishes its update, you can easily click open and enter the already updated WhatsApp app. Friends, this is the very quick and very simple way to update WhatsApp on your iPhone. I really hope this video has helped you. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments, also subscribe to our channel and see you soon.